Hey guys, today we're showing you how to change the oil on your Can-Am Maverick R. You should be doing this every 1900 miles, and if you're in severe conditions, lots of mud, lots of dust, high temperatures, you're going to want to get this done every 900 miles. So in either case, it's going to be a similar process for the 2 and the 4-seaters. Let's get started. To get this done, we have our Can-Am oil change kit. Comes with all the necessary oil, your oil filter, your crush washers, O-rings. We're also using some contact cleaner to help clean things up. Now, if you need any of these parts, you can find them on our website by clicking the link in the description below. For tools, we have 8 and 17 millimeter sockets. I have an extension. You also want to have a drain funnel. We're going to be using 2 just to make the job go quicker, but you only need 1. These are from Can-Am and they are available on our website. We're also using a flex funnel to fill everything back up. It's going to make the job quite a bit easier. And then you need a drain pan as well. Start out by placing your vehicle in park on a level surface. We're going to start the engine and let it run for at least 2 minutes. Then once you shut it off, you can remove your dipstick, clean around that area with your rag. We're also going to clean around the drain plugs. And then we have these Can-Am oil funnels. We're going to put those into place, and that's going to keep us from making a mess all over our skid plate. So we'll put one by the magneto drain plug, and then we have the oil tank drain plug. Next, I'm going to use my 17 millimeter socket and remove both of those. You can do these one at a time if you only have one drain pan. As the engine oil drains, I'm going to replace the crush washers and the O-ring. And once everything finishes draining, I'm going to wipe down the sealing surfaces. Then we can reinstall both drain plugs, and we'll torque them to 22 foot-pounds. Next, I'm going to remove my drain funnels, and then I'm going to move up to the oil filter, which is still on the right side of the machine. We have this cap with 3 bolts. I'll use my 8 millimeter socket to remove them, and make sure you have a drain pan underneath that oil filter because you will lose a little bit of oil. When you pull the cap off, pay attention to the O-ring, and then we're going to pull out that oil filter, put a little oil on the seal for the new one. We'll slide that down into place. I'm going to put a new O-ring with a little bit of oil onto the cap. Make sure that's all cleaned up along with your sealing surface. Set the cap in place, and when you install the bolts, you can torque them down to 80 inch-pounds. At this point, wipe up any residual or spilt oil, and then we're going to go ahead and pour in 2.8 liters of oil. Again, we're going with the 540. Next, we can install our dipstick. We're going to start our engine and bring it up to operating temperature, and then we're going to shut it off, and you want to check the oil within a minute of when you shut it off. To do that, we're going to pull the dipstick, wipe it off, and then we're going to screw the dipstick all the way back in. We'll pull it out one more time, and you want to make sure the oil level is towards the upper end of the grid. If you're not in this range, make adjustments. That's it for changing the oil on your Can-Am Maverick R. If you need any parts, tools, or accessories for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.